Alright, back at Buffalo Chip today, or I should say this evening now. It's about, I need to see what time it was. It's coming on to 5 o'clock right now. I head into the amphitheater and get ready for the concert tonight. Tonight we have Buckcherry and Kid Rock, so it's going to be a pretty crowded night, I think. So let's head to the amphitheater. It's about 10 minutes later, 5 after 5 about right now, and I just found my spot where I want to sit down, so yeah, there we go. So I'll talk to you later. Got some Domino's pizza, the 7-Up, yeah, with a bite to eat. Yeah, it's almost 6:30 now, so that's how much. A lot of more people there than there was in the last video clip.
I'm so sorry about that.
How we fucking doing tonight? It's holding up, right? The weather. Oh shit! Who the fuck is feeling sexy tonight? Who the fuck is feeling hot? You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I feel hot right now. Get fucking sexy! I get so party, we're gonna get out 4 cans of whoop ass tonight, alright? It starts right now, ladies and gentlemen. This whole band, Kid Rock is backstage right now, and he has not seen how many people are out here yet. But I guarantee you something, they judge one thing, and that's how many people make noise, and it's gonna be your turn. I wanna light this sumbitch up like a Roman candle. Are you with me? Say yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear you make more noise than any other crowd in the state of South Dakota. Why? Why? Because there's all kinds of other stuff going on, but this is where it's at. The best party anywhere. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Let's make it go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear it for Kid Rock. Everybody wake it up, make it go! Make it go! You people are gonna need to show your life coming up real shortly, Kid Rock. You know what's gonna happen then. Let's make it go.
It was 2 days. People would count.
Welcome to the show, everyone. It's nice to be back in Sturgis. Wow, y'all, tonight. Woo. Not sure how long, but we've been playing out here for a long time. We got a whole lot of show for you, like we always do. But before we get back up, we're gonna bring it all the way down. And nothing seems as strange as when the leaves began to change, or how we thought those days would never end. But sometimes I hear that song and I start to sing along and think, man, I'd love to see that girl again. My name is
Kid Rock concert is just finished a little while ago.
Jocelyn, and she's from Ohio.
My gosh.
She's an
This is
emergency
it.
room nurse. She said she's
I'm heading out of the amphitheater and won't be back until next year now. This is my last night here coming to the concert. So, wow. Take one last look around.
She's motivated, loyal, and fun. Ohio, that is Jocelyn.
There we go. I'm heading out of here.
This is Sage.
Yeah, now the crowd is exiting en masse. Wow. So here we go again, just like the other night, the Jelly Roll night. Another huge night at the Buffalo trip. Okay, talk to you later. Sure seems to be a lot more people tonight than the Jelly Roll night, Tuesday night. Man, boy. Alright, I'm just going to wrap up this video. So much noise and traffic going by and everything. And I don't think most people even know where they're going. Well, it seems like anyways. But anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.